It's not that small. Flip it in. I wouldn't do it through.
That's a pretty good one. Is that at least 2 pounder?
Look at that. That's a yomper, boy. Yo, this shit's a fighter, bro.
You got one?
Please be the biggest fish of the day.
You got one?
Yeah, it's fat. It's fat. Get the fucking net. There's a net under the thing. Evan, where you're standing, there's a net. There's a net.
Open that shit up.
There's a yellow net. Get the yellow one. This shit's a fatty, bro.
Pull him in, pull him in.
All right, I'm bringing him in.
Bring him in, bring him in.
Oh, 4-pound fish right there, baby. This is fish number 7 for your kid right here.
Ooh.
Give him the
Nut tap. Nut tap right there.
There it goes.